Okay, tuloy tayo. Meron tayong problem dito. I-apply natin sa problem yung ating pag-aralan kanina, yung napakagandang process na yun. No? So, ang tanong, atmospheric air at 0.964 bar enters the adiabatic saturator. Yung chamber na ating describe, no? Adiabatic saturator. So the wet bulb temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Dry bulb is 31. During adiabatic saturation process, determine 1. Humidity ratio of the air entering. 2. Vapor pressure and RH at 31 degrees Celsius. And 3. Yung dew point temperature. Siyempre, given yung yung PB, TW, at saka TD. Okay, so move on. So, meron ka rito let W1, humidity ratio of entering air, and then W2, humidity ratio of saturated air, yung palabas. So, first of all, let us find yung W2 from psychrometric or STEM tables. We find that, so hanapin nyo to, yung PV at this temperature, yung 20 degrees Celsius. Tapos, enthalpy of saturated vapor at 20 degrees Celsius din. Hanapin nyo rin to. Okay? Tapos, yung sensible heat of water, 20 degrees Celsius, ay ito na. Sensible heat of water vapor. Enthalpy lang yan. And the enthalpy of saturated vapor at 31, ayan, magkaiba ang laki, no? 2,558.2 kilojoule per kilogram. So we know that enthalpy of unsaturated air corresponding to dry bulb temperature of 31 ay ito. So may formula siyang ginamit, no? Alam na natin to doon sa thermo pa lang. Alam niyo na to na yung specific enthalpy pwedeng express in this form, no? M times Cp, specific heat, constant pressure, times dry bulb. So plug into the formula, ito yung sagot. Tinaig natin yung Cp over, actually 1 lang yan eh. Pero dito, 1.005 kilojoule per kilogram degree Celsius. Okay? So meron kang 31 at it's 1. Move on tayo. Then, sabi rito, enthalpy of 1 kilogram of saturated air corresponding to the wet bulb at 20 degrees ay ito. Okay? So, hanapin mo naman using formula. Ito siya. MCP TW. 20 lang, Plug in the formula. Plug in into the formula yung mga value and then perform numerical calculation. 20.1 kilojoule per kilogram. Ngayon, hanapin mo yung W2. So, alam na natin yung formula, no? Saturated, sorry, ng moisture content, 0.622 PV2 over barometric pressure minus PV2. Kasi dalawa na yung PV mo eh. Meron kang PV at 1, meron kang PV at 2. So, ang hinahanap natin yung moisture content at 2. So, ito na yun. Plug in the value to the formula and then perform numerical calculation. You will have this. No? Halos pagka i-gram mo ito, this is 1, 2, 3, 15.4 grams water vapor per kilogram of dry air. Same way, hanapin mo ngayon yung moisture content or W ng at 1. Papasok pa lang. So, yun ay unsaturated air. That expressed actually with this equation. Yung na-derive natin kanina lang. Ang sabi ko, in terms of enthalpies. So, meron na tayong mga enthalpy. Plug in lang yan sa formula, yung mga value, and then perform numerical calculation. Makuha mo to. So, pagpasok niya, okay, nasa 10 siya eh. 10 grams. Pag i-grams natin, move to the right 3 decimal point. Kasi ita times mo na 1,000 to. 1, 2, 3. So, 10.8. Nung lumabas siya, 15 na grams kanina doon sa W2. So, success, no? Naglagay ka nga ng water vapor sa unsaturated air. Halos 5 grams ang nadagdag. So, tuloy natin. Tuloy tayo. Ang vapor naman, pressure and relative humidity at 31 degrees. Let PV 1 is equal to vapor pressure at 31 degrees Celsius. We know that humidity ratio of the entering air, meron na tayo niyan eh, W1. So, equate mo yan, hanapin mo yung PV1. Ito, siya yung anon dyan. Okay? Manipulate it, simplify it using what you have learned in math. You will come up with PV1. Ito yung sagot. Okay, 0.0164 bars. Okay? Pangatlo, or pwede rin pala natin gamitin yung equation na to. From psychrometric or steam table, we find the saturation pressure din, PSAT. So, pag meron kang kukunin mo yung relative humidity, ang gagawin mo? The relative humidity is equal to PV1 over PS. So, meron kang PV1? Yes. Meron kang PS? Yes. Ayan, PS. So, mo nakuha yan doon sa psychrometric or steam table corresponding to dry bulb. Plug into the formula, perform numerical calculation. Ito yung sagot, 36.5%. Okay? Paano naman hanapin yung dew point temperature? So, sabi niya rito, since the dew point temperature is the saturation temperature corresponding to the partial pressure of water vapor, PV1, pumasok. Therefore, from the psychrometric or steam table, pwede mong gamitin yung psychrometric tables or steam tables, we find that the corresponding pressure the corresponding pressure, 0.0164 na pressure, PV1 is equal to 14.5. So mababa yung dew point niya, no? Okay? So which is actually, doon lang muna tayo. Okay, thank you.